Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add SafeMoon V2 on your Trust wallet. It's pretty simple. First you want to go to this website called coinmarketcap.com. So on this website over here where it says search, you want to search for SafeMoon V2. Once you search for SafeMoon V2, you want to click on SafeMoon V2 over here and it'll open up over here just like this. Once this is opened over here, what you can do is click on over here where it says more. And as you guys can see, it shows you its contract address as well. Now what you can do is copy this. Now once you copy this, what you can do is open your Trust wallet and click on this icon at the top right corner. From over here, you want to click on the plus again at the top right corner. So what you need to do is choose Ethereum because the contract of SafeMoon is on Ethereum. So over here, make sure Ethereum is chosen. And over here, paste the thing which you just copied. Once you paste it, all of this is going to be automatically filled. Once this is automatically filled, click on import. Now your SafeMoon V2 will be imported over here just like this as you guys can. So that is basically how you guys can get SafeMoon 2 on your Trust wallet. Now you can transition SafeMoon 2, buy SafeMoon 2, do anything you want over here from SafeMoon 2, okay? I hope you understand how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel step. I'll see you guys next time.